Hello everyone, my name is Chamal and I'm gonna talk a little bit about Git. A lot of new people nowadays use Git GUIs a lot, and I think it's very complex and slow at the same time. They probably have never even touched Git CLI, but actually Git CLI is very simple, fast and easy to learn. So let me show you. So if I switch to workspace where I have done random document, I'm gonna quickly switch to my random stuff directory and create a new folder named my project, that, and let me create something here very quickly. So this new project, save that, and I have a file. To track this using Git, all you have to do is git init, and this is now tracking. If you do an LSA, you can see now there's a Git folder here. That means it's tracking using Git. Alright, now to add the files, you just do git add all, and to commit, you just do git commit -m. Append it with a commit message, so initial commit, and done. That's it. If you also happen to have GitHub CLI installed, you can do git create and select the third option here, and it's gonna ask where is this local repository. It's right here, and what's it called? It's gonna default to the current folder's name, and it's gonna ask which profile or organization. I'm gonna use my personal profile. I'm gonna skip the description, visibility public, and add the remote. Yes. What's it called? Origin. Find that, and it's gonna ask would you like to push changes. Hell yeah. We'll wait a little bit, and that's it. If you open this in your browser now, there you have it. You just created a local repository using Git and also pushed it using GitHub CLI.